Hi everyone. Hey, I'm here with this week's tip of the week, and we're talking about bug repellent and bug bites. So one of the best resources is always the Essential Life book. If you don't have this book, let me know and I will make sure you can get one. And there is an outdoor section in this book. Most people will use the blend TerraShield. It's a bug repellent blend. It's a really, really easy to use blend that comes both in a bottle and it also comes in a spray. But what you'll find in the outdoor section of the Essential Life book are some other options that you can use that function as great bug repellents. Things like peppermint, eucalyptus, Arborvitae, cedarwood. One of my favorites though that is new this summer is Citronella. And I know that we're all used to using Citronella for mosquitoes in other areas, whether it's the cool little Citronella lamps or lots of different ways to use it. But this is an inexpensive oil that's really great for mosquitoes in general. And I love to get the mister sprays. I'm gonna demonstrate for you guys. Ready? It's awesome. It mists so well, and we use this not only on our people, but we also use it on our pets. So this is a really great way that you can take the oils that you have, throw a bunch in here, and get a lot out of it. And I like that it's plastic, so you can carry that with you safely. Now, the other thing that you really, really need to have is Lavender Touch. So this is lavender oil diluted in coconut oil. And so it's going to be less expensive than the bottle of lavender and very convenient to apply. So it comes with a roller ball. The one you'll actually get actually comes with a metal roller ball. This is an older one. But you just put it right on the bug bite, and it takes down the itching, it takes down the swelling, and it's a really quick and easy way to deal with bug bites. So hope this helps, and I hope that you will take these tips with you wherever you go this summer.